Hello friends, welcome to our channel Sense Lifestyle. Today we are going to discuss cloudburst. By the definition, cloudburst is an extreme amount of precipitation in a short period of time over a particular localized area. According to IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, cloudburst is a condition when the amount of rainfall over a particular area exceeds 100 mm per hour. SMHI, that is Swedish Meteorological and Hydrological Institute, defines it as skyfall. And it defines skyfall as when the rainfall occurs 1 mm per minute for short bursts and 50 mm per hour for longer rainfalls. Precipitation is any product of condensation of atmospheric water vapor that falls from clouds due to gravitational pull. And condensation means the transition of water vapor to water. So precipitation can be drizzle, rain, sleet, snow, ice splits. Now we'll discuss the geographical factors behind the formation of cloudbursts. Well, it is generally seen during the southwest monsoon, late May to early September period in India. Next factor is the temperature gradients between the lower and upper atmosphere, especially in troposphere region. Next comes orographic lift. Well, it's a phenomenon when the air mass is forced from a low elevation to higher elevation as it moves over rising terrain. As it gains altitude, it cools quickly and the relative humidity becomes 100%, making rainfall. Next comes the cumulonimbus clouds are pushed by warm water. Cumulonimbus clouds are vertical column of clouds. Cumulus and nimbus both forms the cumulonimbus sort of cloud. Cumulus means white and fluffy cloud, whereas nimbus is dark and black clouds. Together, that cumulonimbus clouds are pushed by the warm water, which is a factor for the formation of cloudbursts. Next, the Langmuir precipitation process. Well, Langmuir circulation is a circulation where shallow, slow, counter-rotating vortices are found at the oceanic surface, helping the cumulonimbus clouds that are all ready to rain to pushed up by the warm air current, and the water droplets inside that cloud becomes higher in size, making it unable to hold, and that's how the rainfall occurs. The properties of cloudbursts. This results in torrential downpours in the geographical region right below it. Flash flood is another phenomenon during the cloudburst. Flash flood is intense rainfall within a very short period of time, flooding the low-lying areas. Then, another property is it forms in the hilly region. Now, you have a question, why hilly region? Let's see. Look, this is an oceanic surface. Sun rays comes and oceanic surface is heated up. Then water vapors are formed and it goes upward. But it does not go upward in a vertical direction. As wind flows are there, making that water vapor to form a sinuous way to go upwards. As it follows the sinuous path, it is conducive for traveling the hilly terrain. Well, in a mountain region, we can find two sides. One is a windward, another is a leeward. At the windward side, the water vapor that takes the sinuous path from that heated up surface flows up and up. Then it gets cooled. As it cools, condensation starts and formation of that cloud, that is a cumulus nimbus cloud, are there. Langmuir precipitation process guides that cumulonimbus clouds to go upwards, and water droplets inside it becomes bigger, and precipitation starts when relative humidity becomes 100%. So, how cloudbursts can be predicted? Well, there are satellites that are extensively useful in detecting the large-scale weather systems. But the precipitation radars of the satellite that are useful in detecting the extensive and large-scale weather system are unable to detect the small size cloudburst. So the precipitation radars are smaller than the area of individual cloudburst event, making the satellites difficult to detect. Then the monitoring stations on the ground cannot capture that properly due to their highly localized and brief presence. So are there anything to predict the cloudburst, which causes flash flood, which causes torrential downpours, and many other natural disaster-like phenomenon? Yes, there is a phenomenon, or there is a way to detect the cloudburst, that is a Doppler radar system, which is ideal for its detection. In the next video, we will discuss Doppler radar system and how cloudbursts are detected by this Doppler radar system. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe our video.